Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here, and I will put about the s. Because we don't have number 2, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. Next, we have the formula. The integration of a to the power of u du. We have a to the power of u over ln a, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.